Hi there. Welcome to IntoMath, lesson 2 of grade 6. We're talking about breaking down natural numbers. So let's look at exponents. Exponent is a little number at the top of a big number that shows us how many this number was multiplied by itself. 2 in this case is the base, 3 is an exponent. So 2 to the exponent 3 means 2 times 2 times 2, which is equal to 8. This is useful when you have multiple number of numbers that are multiplied by each other, they're all the same, and you don't want to write them out forever. So you're replacing this expression with this expression, which involves the exponent. Natural numbers can be of two types: prime numbers and composite numbers. Prime numbers are the numbers such as 1, 3, 2, 5, 7. They can only be divided evenly by themselves or 1. Whereas composite numbers are numbers like 4, 8, 16, and so on. Prime numbers can serve as prime factors. Factors are numbers that when multiplied together form another number, or that one given number could be divided by. So if I have, say, 24, then factors of 24 are 3 and 8, because 3 times 8 would give me 24. Prime factors are factors that are prime numbers. So in order for me to find the prime factors of 24, I need to continue breaking down its other factors. 3 is already prime, 8 is not. So I'm going to break 8 down into prime factors. It's 2 times 2 times 2. And since I've learned a more convenient way of recording this expression, I can say that it is 2 cubed, or 2 to the exponent 3. So the two factors that are prime factors of 24 are 3 and 2 cubed, or 2 3 times. Prime factors are needed when you're looking for the greatest common factor of the two numbers or the least common multiple of the two factors. The greatest common factor, or the GCF, of the two numbers could be found the following way. Say I have two numbers, 12 and 18. Let's list the factors of each number. 12, the factors are 1, 12, 6, 2, 3, and 4. And for 18, it's 1, 18, 2, 9, 3, and 6. I already have some prime factors here, but I need to check if I have other ones. So other than 1, 2, and 3. 12 is the product of the following prime factors: 3, 2, and 2. 6 is 3 and 2, and 4 is 2 and 2. 18 is 3 times 3 times 2. And 9 is 3 times 3, and 6 again is 3 times 2. In order to find the greatest common factor of the two numbers, multiply all the common prime factors from the two numbers together. So in this case, I have 1 times 2 times 3, which gives me 6. The greatest common factor of 12 and 18 is 6. Let's now see how we can find the least common multiple of the two numbers. Say we have two numbers, 12 and 8, and we want to find the LCM, least common multiple of the two numbers. The least common multiple is the number that could be divided by both of these numbers, and it's the lowest number that you could get. So in order to find it, I'm going to list the prime factors of each one of these. This could be recorded as 4 times 3, and 4 could be broken down into 2 times 2. And then this could be recorded as 4 times 2, and then this again is 2 times 2. So I will take all the prime factors in each number, but with its highest exponent. So here 2 times 2 is actually 2 squared. And here 2 times 2, and again times 2, is 2 cubed. 2 cubed is a higher number than 2 squared, so I'll take that. And then in order for me to find the LCM, I will multiply 3, which is 1 prime factor, by 2 cubed, which is another one with the highest exponent. And that gives me 3 times 8, which is 24. So LCM, least common multiple, of 12 and 8 is 24. 24 could be divided both by 12 and by 8. Thanks for being with me in this lesson 2. I encourage you to go try these, finding greatest common factor and least common multiple, and also prime factors, and then come back again and continue into lesson 3 of grade 6. See you next time.